How's it going, everyone? In today's video, I'll show you on how you can simply flip your camera in OBS. So this is my camera right here. It's going to be at the side of my screen. And to go ahead and flip your camera or to any one of your displays right here, it's going to be extremely simple. I'm just going to simply set this one as my camera output. Now to go ahead and flip it, you then want to right click on the camera output itself. And then there's going to be something like the transform option. Now in here you have something like edit transform, reset transform, and many more. I suggest just choosing something like the flip horizontal or the flip vertical right here. Or we have some additional options. Maybe you want to fit it onto your screen, stretch through the screen, and many more. But ideally, you can then go ahead and find the flip option inside this page. So if you want to flip your camera horizontal and vertical, it's going to be these two options right here. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. And as always, thanks for watching.